Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Okay, welcome to part 2 video, chapter number 5, that is coal and petroleum. Yesterday, in the previous video, we have seen that there are two kinds of natural resources, exhaustible and inexhaustible. Right? We have also seen what are fossil fuels. Right? Now, coal. First topic, coal. You may have seen coal or heard about it. It is as hard as stone and is black in color. देखा है ना coal सबने? Yes, it is made from wood. It is hard. It is black in color. It is used as fuel to cook food. Earlier, it was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. Means it is used as fuel in house also, in engines also, in boilers also, in thermal power plants also to produce electricity. So coal is used as a fuel in various industries. Story of coal. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Before 300 million ago, right? Earth में forest ही ज़्यादा थे. Due to natural processes like flooding, this forest got buried under the soil. नेचुरल कैलामिटीज, नेचुरल प्रोसेस की वजह से क्या हुआ, धीरे धीरे वो जो फॉरेस्ट थे वो सब जमीन में, यस, दे ऑल गेट बरीड इनसाइड द सॉइल. एज मोर सॉइल डिपोजिटेड ओवर देम दे वर कंप्रेस्ड. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मिट्टी आती गई और वो नीचे दबते गए. द टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो रोज एज दे सैंक डीपर एंड डीपर. एज यू गो deeper in the soil, the temperature is high. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. What is carbonization? The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. As it is mainly made of carbon, it is called carbonization. Since it formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called a fossil fuel. Right? We have seen the fuels which are formed with the dead remains of animals, any other living organisms, it is called fossil fuel. Coal is also made from the dead remains of vegetation. So coal is also called a fossil fuel. The coal mine figure is shown, right? Figure 5.2, you can see a coal mine. Means जहाँ बड़ा forest है, सालों पहले जहाँ forest था, वहाँ अभी coal mine होगी. Because that trees has converted into coal, right? With the process of carbonization. When heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coal is processed in the industry to get its byproducts which we get from coal, that is coke, coal tar and coal gas. What is coke? It is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Underline it. It is the pure form of carbon. It is coke. It is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many materials. This is the usefulness of coke. Now coal tar. It is a black, thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. Black color, thick liquid with unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances used in everyday life and in industries like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosive, plastic paints. इन सब जगह पे एज अ रॉ मटेरियल coal tar is used. Interestingly, naphthalene balls used to repel moths and other insects are also used from obtained from coal tar. Naphthalene balls सबके घर में मम्मी वाइट गोलियां डालती है ना हर जगह पे, कपबोर्ड में, बेड्स में, ड्रॉवर्स में, सिंक में वाइट कलर की गोली है ना, दैट इज naphthalene ball. It is also made from coal tar. Now coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. कोल की जब प्रोसेस करते हैं कोक बनाने के लिए, the gas which is released is called coal gas. It is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Right? It is used as a fuel. Now, petroleum. What is petroleum? You know that petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters, cars. Heavy motor vehicles used diesel. Now, petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. Petrol, diesel, and many other things are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from petra, that is rock, and oleum, that is oil. The oil which is obtained from rock, that is petroleum. As it is mined from between the rocks under the earth. How is petroleum obtained from the earth? You can see the figure 5.4. Petroleum is formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms die, their bodies settle at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transform the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. You can see in the figure, it shows the deposit of petroleum and natural gas. You see that the layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above that of water. Why? Because oil and gas are lighter than water. The sea animals जो मर जाते हैं, उनकी बॉडी है वो डिकम्पोज होती है. The bodies get decayed under the soil for many years and it is converted into oil and gas. That oil is petroleum and the gas, it is natural gas. Petroleum, refining of a petroleum. It is a dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, डीजल, लुब्रिकेटिंग ऑयल, उन सब का मिक्सचर होता है पेट्रोलियम में. एंड देन दे आर रिफाइंड एंड एट डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर वी गेट अ डिफरेंट मटीरियल्स फ्रॉम द पेट्रोलियम. द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेपरेटिंग वेरियस कंस्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ पेट्रोलियम इज नोन एज refining and it is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Right? The table is given to know the various constituents and their uses of petroleum. First one, it is petroleum gas in liquid form, that is LPG. that is used in fuel for home and industry. Another product we get, it is petrol used in fuel, right? Kerosene used for fuel as stove, lamp, right? Jet aircraft. Diesel fuel for heavy vehicles and generators. Lubricating oil. Anywhere where you need a lubrication, you can need, that is greasing, yes, lubricating oil. Paraffin wax, ointments, candle, Vaseline, etc. This is also a product of petroleum. Now bitumen. What is bitumen? It is a, yes, type of coal tar used in paints, road surfacing, etc. Okay. Last topic, it is natural gas. Natural gas is a very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure and as compressed natural gas, that is CNG, compressed natural gas. CNG is used for power generation. It is now being used as a fuels also in transport vehicles because it is less polluting, it is a cleaner fuel, right? CNG, compressed natural gas. The great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. Easily transportable, easily storable, and very easy to use. It is also less polluting, right? A cleaner fuel. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara in Gujarat. Even some parts of Delhi and other places in Gujarat, CNG pipelines are there in Vadodara. Natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of number of chemicals and fertilizers. India has vast reserves of natural gas. In our country, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. Where are natural gas found in India? You can easily say they are found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Krishna Godavari Delta. इन सब जगह पे इंडिया में we can find natural gas. Okay. Some natural resources are limited. The homework is read this topic 5.4 and also try to solve the exercise. We will do it in the next video. Thank you.